Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use strawberry mint growth oil. First, ensure your hair is clean and slightly damp. This helps the oil penetrate effectively. Next, divide your hair into 4 to 6 sections, making it easier to apply the oil evenly. Have your strawberry mint growth oil and a dropper ready for the next steps. This preparation ensures maximum benefit from the product. Now, let's apply the oil. Using the dropper, place 3 to 5 drops directly onto your scalp in each section. After applying, use your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes. This massage stimulates blood flow, which is crucial for hair growth. Pay special attention to any areas where you desire more thickness or growth. After massaging, you can leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for deeper conditioning. When ready, wash your hair thoroughly with your favorite shampoo and conditioner to remove any residue. For optimal results, incorporate this routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key to seeing noticeable improvements in your hair's health and growth over time. To truly maximize your results, remember to maintain a healthy diet and drink plenty of water each day. Good internal health reflects in your hair. Also, try to minimize excessive heat styling, as this can damage your hair and hinder growth. For more great tips and deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below. We're always looking for ways to help you look and feel your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.